Welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. I don't know if you can see too well here with the lighting, but I've got a mostly dead tree here that's being held up because it's stuck in one of the other trees. It's ready to fall right in the road. I'm going to take care of it. Some of the other dead trees along here the city normally takes care of, but I'm not going to wait for them to come out on this one. It'll make for some good firewood. So let me see if I can pull it down and get it cut up. Oh yeah, look at she's coming already. Didn't even need to hook onto it. That was definitely ready to fall. I didn't even have a good leverage on it. Alright, I think the camera might have turned off because it got too hot. Made quick work of that with the Bauer 20 volt chainsaw from Harbor Freight. Got this for free on a promotion not too long ago. They're about $75. Battery still hasn't gone dead with all the cutting I did, so I'm liking it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.